Hello, boys and girls. Today we will read a B level book called A Rainy Day. It's about a boy and a a brother and a sister spending their time at home when it's a rainy day and they cannot go outside. Okay, but before we do that, let's look at some of the trick words that will be in this story, okay? So let's see. Like, we, to. And the last one is on. Okay, are you ready? A rainy day. A rainy day. Okay, so you know what? Before we start reading, let's look at the picture to see what they are doing. Here, it looks like they might be painting. Okay, so let's see. First, I'll read, then you'll read, and then we will read together. Let's see. We like to paint on a rainy day. Now it's your turn. Now let's read it together. We like to paint on a rainy day. Okay, let's look at the picture first. Here they are baking. Let's see. We like to bake on a rainy day. Now it's your turn. Now let's read all together. We like to bake on a rainy day. What are they doing here? I think they are hiding. Okay, let's read. We like to hide on a rainy day. Now it's your turn. Okay, now let's read it together. We like to hide on a rainy day. Let's see what comes next. What are they doing here? It looks like they're dancing. Okay, so at first I'll read it, then you read it, and we'll read it together. We like to dance on a rainy day. Now you read it. Okay, let's read it together. We like to dance on a rainy day. Oh, let's look here. What are they doing here? It looks to me like they're singing. Okay, let's try to read this. We like to sing on a rainy day. Okay, now it's your turn. Now let's read it together. We like to sing on a rainy day. Let's see what they are doing here. It looks like they are reading. Okay, I'll read it. We love to read on a rainy day. Now it's your turn. Now let's read it together. We love to read on a rainy day. Let's look at this picture. What are they doing? Seems like they are writing. Let's see. We love to write on a rainy day. Now your turn. Now let's read it together. We love to write on a rainy day. And here's the last page. It says, we love a rainy day. Now it's your turn. Now let's reread it together. We love a rainy day. And that is it. That's the end of our story. Okay, let's look at some of the trick words that were in the story. So at first you say it and then I'll say it. Like, we, to, on. Okay, for writing, boys and girls, what I would like you to do is just think what you like to do on a rainy day. For example, I like to read on a rainy day. So I would write, I like to read on a rainy day. Okay? Think what you like to do on a rainy day. So you could write something like this. We like to, and then add what you like to do on a rainy day. Okay? Thank you for watching and I'll see you later. Bye now.